Welcome to this in-depth review of April Tax, a platform that positions itself as a smart, AI-powered tax optimization tool. If you've been curious whether it lives up to the hype or is just another overpromising piece of software, this video is for you. April Tax markets itself as a fully automated tax solution designed for individual filers who want to simplify the process of submitting their taxes while maximizing their refund or minimizing their liability. The platform integrates with your bank accounts, payroll providers, and even investment apps to collect financial data and streamline the filing process. Once you sign up, the onboarding process is surprisingly fast. It asks for basic information and immediately tries to sync with financial institutions. The auto-import feature is one of the main selling points, and it does work fairly well if your institutions are supporting. However, if your financial accounts are not among their approved partners, the process becomes manual and feels clunky. The user interface is sleek and minimalist. It's easy to navigate, but the simplicity may be a drawback for users who want more control or customization. For example, if you're a freelancer or have multiple income streams, April Tax might not dig deep enough into deductions or credits relevant to your situation. April Tax claims to use artificial intelligence to identify tax-saving opportunities, but in real-world use, this seems limited to standard recommendations. It correctly flagged common deductions, like student loan interest and charitable contributions, but it didn't offer much beyond what traditional software already provides. Many useful links you can find in the description. Security and data privacy are always concerns with any online tax platform. April Tax uses encryption and claims compliance with standard data protection laws, but the lack of two-factor authentication feels like a big oversight, especially for a platform that handles sensitive financial information. The pricing model is relatively straightforward. April Tax offers a free tier with basic filing capabilities, but the more advanced features, like live chat support or itemized deductions, are locked behind a paid subscription. Whether it's worth it depends on how complex your financial situation is. If you only have W-2 income, it might be enough. If you're self-employed or have investments, you may find it lacking. Customer support is responsive but limited. There is no phone support, and the live chat can sometimes take a while to connect you with a real person. During peak tax season, delays are common, and that can be frustrating when you're on a deadline. The help articles are well written, but not exhaustive. Another issue I noticed is the lack of transparency when it comes to data retention. It's not clear how long they store your financial records, or if you can delete your data completely once you're done using the platform. For a tool that heavily markets itself as secure and AI-driven, this is an important gap. That said, if you're looking for a lightweight, mostly hands-off approach to tax filing, and you fall into the standard taxpayer category, April Tax can be a helpful tool. It's not revolutionary, but it can save time. However, it doesn't yet replace the depth and reliability of legacy platforms like TurboTax or H&R Block, especially for users with more complex tax scenarios. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest tech reviews like this. Your support helps me keep creating content that's real, detailed, and unbiased. Thanks for watching.